down shortly. When I tell you to go, just have to let go of the poles and jump forward, okay?
All right.
All right, here comes Alexander in 3, 2, 1.
Without fail. It's pretty high up there. All right. On a walk. I'm on Mount Eden right now. Just walking around it. I think I took a wrong turn to go to the top, so I'll take the long way around. It's straight uphill from Sky Tower, about 3.5 kilometers. So it's taking about, 45 minutes to walk here. Sky jump was a lot of fun. Over it really quick. On the way up, I was pretty freaked out in the elevator. It's going, this keeps going up. And there's a little waiting lobby. You can look outside, and I was able to calm down, kind of collect myself. It didn't really look that high after I'd been up there a while. I had to take my jacket off. It's pretty warm out here. About 70 degrees, 20 degrees Celsius. Oh, that looks like the top up there. But anyway, calm down. And then as soon as they hooked me up, they had me lean over. At that point, there's a quick rush, like, wow, it's actually really far down. You're leaning in the contraptions, getting a better hold of you. And they say, go. Just let go and just push off the platform. And there's a split second where you realize you're actually falling. And then the cable hit my glasses, or I hit my glasses or something, so they're all askew. So I was able to kind of collect myself, fix my glasses, and then tried to Superman pose like I'm flying, and then I just enjoyed the whole way down. It wasn't a very long fall. It was fun though. And then you're done. So, I got the video and went back to my room. They gave me a free shirt and stuff, so dropped that off. And yeah, since then I started walking. I was trying to grab lunch, but not really that hungry. Probably get something when I get back. It's a beautiful day. First day I've had to put my sunglasses. Made it to the top here, Mount Eden. It is New Zealand's tallest volcano. Really not that bad of a hike up here. It took about 2 miles to get here from, the Sky Tower there behind me. But once you get to the base of it, it's like 5-10 minute walk. Not bad at all. There's a few different treks you can do. It's a perfect day to be out here. I'm glad I chose today to do it, or whatnot. But when you're on the top, you can see down in the crater. Sadly, you're not allowed to go in it, but oh well. So now I'm just gonna sit out here on this little flat area. I kind of just want to take a nap. I mean, it's about 1:30. I got really all day. Nothing else scheduled. I'll probably end up doing going down like an hour or so, get something to eat, and then I don't know, go grab a drink. Actually, I think I'm gonna probably end up being at the Provador again, and then tomorrow night I'm gonna do a bar crawl. It's supposed to be the best bar crawl around here. It's highly recommended, so I'll probably end up doing that. They're a little bit different view. Anyway, I seriously might just lay down and take a nap. I don't know. It's really nice out here. Might be a good day to relax. Tomorrow I just gotta figure out what to do. It's really my last day here in New Zealand, and I don't have anything planned other than that bar crawl. I was recommended I can take just a one-day little boat to an island where they have vineyards and whatnot. Kind of go exploring in the suburbs. It was actually recommended to me a couple times, so I might check that out. Other than that, nothing really. New Zealand's been great. There's parts of it that feel like San Jose or San Francisco, just a little bit slower and calmer. And you get, scenes like this. Actually, I'm on one volcano. I think there's one behind me up that way, and then over to my left, I guess, right-hand side if you're looking at the video, I'm not quite sure. But over that way there's another volcano called One Tree Hill. It kind of creates a little triangle of volcanoes.
It's not getting better. It's not getting any easier. I never thought
Looking up at the camera here. And 3, 2, 1, smile. 2 minutes on Alexander. Cool, come on out. Have you been up the tower before?
I have not.
You have not? Have a look up at that camera over there. Hi everybody, this is Alexander. He's going to be doing a sky jump off the Auckland Sky Tower, 192 metres to the ground.
Yep.
630 feet if you want to be exact. How you feeling?
Yeah, I got a little more nervous.
You got nervous? You want to look down?
Absolutely.
Woo, you're going to that blue target over there.
All right, that's far.
Alrighty, this one's going on your front. Other one will go on your back, so turn that way for me.
All right.
Other way, other way.
Other way.
Yeah. And step to the left a little bit. Perfect. Stay right there. Right on. Back up. Now with your right hand, I'll get you to hold this pole here. Left hand goes on the pole on the left. Awesome. Feet on the edge for me. I'll give you a countdown shortly. When I tell you to go, just have to let go of the poles and jump forward, okay?
All right.
Here comes Alexander in 3, 2, 1, go!
Nice work. There's a camera just over there if you want to pose or something. Okay.